Hello friends, I am from Telugu Vision. Before starting the video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. In this video, we are going to unbox the new Hillgrove soldering iron kit. This is my new soldering kit. Let's get started. The cost of this kit is rupees 245. I have given the link of this item in the description. You can buy it by clicking that link. I have ordered it from Flipkart. This is my first soldering machine. I liked it very much. This kit contains of 6 items. They are soldering machine and machine holder, wire holder, soldering wick, flux, spool of solder. There you can see that. Now let's take a deep look into it. This is the soldering machine of Hillgrove company. I am opening the seal of it. This is the machine holder. Now I will show you how to fix it with the tools. This is the spring. This is the main part in this holder. It very tightly. The use of this holder is, after using the soldering machine, we have to keep the soldering machine in the holder, by that the soldering machine will not damage. This is the solder wick. I will show the use of it at the last of the video, so please see the video till end. This is the spool of the solder. Here you can see that it is of aluminium. This is the flux and this is known as the paste. This is the wire holder. This machine having a special ability, that is, if we on the switch, there is a light. It is an indicator that it is heating or not, we can know it. Now let's test the soldering machine. Firstly, with the spool of solder, we should ready the soldering machine. After that, we can solder any of the wire or any of the switch. Now I will show you how to use the soldering machine and the spool of solder. see that how I am using the wire holder in the video. I have captured the wire with the wire holder and I have soldered the wire. We will use the flux and we will smooth the surface of the soldering part. Here you can see the video. I am smoothing the surface of the soldering part. The wire has old lead. With the help of solder wick, rub it. The wire gets new look. If you like the video, please share it to your friends. And about the video, please type on the comment box. For more updates, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon.